All right, we're on to fascia. You think that's good? Yep. We put one nail at each truss, and we put it so it's near the bottom of the truss. That way it'll hold the soffit when we slide it in. And we always start at the back to overlap, so you don't see the overlap from anywhere from the front. I'm good. We'll run the drip edge over the top of the fascia, and that locks in the top. We about ready? I'm going to go hook in. All right, we are ready to roof. It's about 8:15 in the morning. The rumor is 12 inches of snow tonight. There's just a little bit of ice on the roof here, so go with caution. What's that?
That's the right feet.
Yep. Yeah, I pulled it too far. Is that good for you?
Going pretty much flush to the edge. Just a little over.
Yes. I'm over maybe an eighth. First screw. It has begun. This roofing is absolutely not slippery right now. I like that. We put screws in every 4 feet going up, and we screw it on the flat. One reason we screw on the flat is if you ever have to pull the snow off with a snow rake, the rake slides right on the ribs and doesn't catch the screws if you screwed it on the top. And over 30 years of doing this, I don't think I've ever lost a sheet of roofing off a roof yet. Okay. Yeah. Okay. These sheets are lining up really nice. I love that. Okay. We'll do one more sheet, then we'll pull the measurement along the top and along the bottom to see if we're running true to the end. If it's off a bit, we can adjust that. Well, I'll pull the measurement now, I guess. 206 and 11/16. .206 and 3/4, a 1/16 of an inch. What's that?
The fascia, is that where you're hooked on?
Yeah. So a 1/16 of an inch. We don't need to adjust that at all. I like that. Still a little bit of ice on the metal here, so I'm just straddling it. We've been about 45 minutes here putting this on. Just gotta, this sheet's gonna fit right on. And we'll move around to the other side. I think we will beat the snow. I love that. It's warming up now. The ice is starting to melt, so it must be 34, 35 degrees. One battery did this whole roof on this side. The wind's starting to pick up a little bit. We'll see how it goes. These might be the longest sheets I've ever put up. They're 24 feet long. We might have a plan. I gotta move a sheet, Chad, just a second. Can we let it down a little bit? A little more. Yep. Hey, you're taking my stuff. Good. Bought new chucks for the drills. Now because the screws were just falling out, couldn't keep them in. Now they're tight. You actually have to pull them off. Chad's doing the most of the work now. We still have one more rake to put on that we haven't finished down at the very bottom, but we can put the metal on because it's supposed to be a storm this weekend. There, that's that. Now we'll do the transition strip and this other little pieces, and then the ridge cap. And then let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Vinyl siding, here we go. Start with the starter strip. So we're back to well, it was over the weekend. The snowstorm fizzled out. They didn't quite predict it right. We got a couple inches. Fine with me. "22 degrees this morning when we got out of the truck. Still about the same. We just cut it out the top of the window, and that snaps in and fits in the J channel up there. Could you come to me for a minute? No. There we go. You got my side easy. You have your zip tool with you? I have to buy another zip tool. I've lost mine. Somebody asked if we ever lose tools on the job site. Yeah. It's fun working together with someone that has done it for quite a while. You kind of know what each person's going to do. It's kind of fun. So I got to do something different for my gloves. These are just rubber. They don't really hold the heat. These are insulated better, but it's hard to pick up the nails. So once the fingers warm up, I can just take the glove off occasionally. $123.50. I'm good. And nailing siding, I'll just kind of push that up a little bit. Make sure it's snug. Looks like me go this way. Oh, you know. Gives us a minute to get warmed up. Monday morning, you know, you want to get warmed up. And so we're going to move around to the front, do the siding there. Yeah, I'll give you a measurement. 75 7/8 to the very bottom. Yep. All right, we have everything trimmed up here. We have the J and the F channel on. We're waiting on coil stock, so we can't finish the returns, but we'll do that after the fact. We are ready to side. My lips are freezing a little bit, so we're ready to do siding. Nice. Let's take a look and see how we cut the angles to go up the roof. You know the roof is a 22.5 degree slope, so we'll set the saw at 22.5. Also, for the first course up there, we made a mark. It's 4 3/4 up, straight up, and then the angle starts. So if we hold the blade, hold the panel like that to the saw, creates the angle. Works really well. 48 3/4.
49.
49.
48 3/4.
Wow, that's pretty good eyesight. I just read his tape from all the way down here. Perfect. These are really nice. There's a ring that snaps on after you've done the siding. All right, we're back from the shop. We've made the first piece that's going to go right at the bottom of this rake. Got it all bent, kind of a custom little job. By putting these little ears on, it allows you to nail so you don't see any of the nails on the finished product, because there'll be another piece of metal coming over that. I guess we're ready for the full piece now. You see how fast I went up that ladder? All right, so we're here getting ready to finish up this siding here. We've done all the little trim, nit-gritty, slow-going stuff. Get that done. We're going to put the siding up now. We've cut the first piece and it fits, so that's a good start. It's 0 right now. It's not. There's no wind, so it's cold. And of course, more soffit. When I build returns like these, I typically I make something like this at the shop, and then I carve it down to fit a little better, so it's a little bit of artistic fitting. I gotta set this down. So we check it to make sure it's plumb here and matches this nicely, plumb this way. We let this part hang over so it gives the effect of a board coming all the way down. I'll neaten up this corner a little, and it should be good. Yeah. That'd be 1 down, 3 to go. Avalanche. Glad I wasn't over there. So this concludes a 30 by 30 ranch style garage with 10-foot ceilings, vinyl siding, garage doors, steel insulated, 10-foot carport over on the right with a all vinyl siding, 512 pitch and a 412 pitch. Hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, hope you hit that like button. Please subscribe. And whatever else you want to do, kiss your dog goodbye or hello. But thanks for watching. Anyway, see you on the next video.